Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's DIY, I'll be showing you how to make a gorgeous fringe skirt. It's very simple and it's very quick, and you're basically going to need just three things. The first thing you need is a skirt, whatever length you want, that's up to you, and it has to be a bodycon skirt. You're also going to need your fringe, about a yard of fringe. You're going to need a glue gun, and then you're going to need a ruler or measuring device with a straight edge and chalk. So the first thing you want to do is take your ruler and mark where you'll be putting your fringe. I initially marked the lines that I drew to be 2.5 inches apart. Now, you see as time goes on that I decided to make my fringe a lot closer, so I shortened those intervals. But first, yes, I put them to be 2.5 inches apart. Later, I corrected that to be about 1 inch apart. So once you've drawn your lines, just take your fringe, measure on the lines, take your fringe, measure them on the lines and cut. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting my fringe pieces and I'm putting them aside. And then the next step would be to take your glue gun, apply some glue, and stick your fringe onto the skirt. Now you're going to want to take this slowly, take your time in doing this, and you're going to want to work from the bottom up and work in bits to prevent your work from being messy, or you also don't want to burn yourself with the fringe. So you want to take your time as you're sticking the fringe onto the skirt. Now, in addition to this, if you want your skirt to last longer, you can. Now, in addition to this, if you want your skirt to last a lot longer, you have the option of running over the fringe with a needle and thread. So just keep gluing the fringe along the lines. So here's where I started putting my fringe pieces closer apart. I didn't want there to be a lot of like skirt space left. So I shortened the spaces and started putting the fringe pieces a lot closer to each other than I thought I wanted at the beginning. So this is basically it for the skirt. This is all you're going to have to do. I chose to only put the fringe on the front part of my skirt, but if you want a full fringe skirt, you can take the fringe around, but you're going to make sure that you get a skirt that is at least 1 to 2 sizes bigger, because if you put the fringe around, the stretch of the skirt is going to be reduced. So you can make it a full fringe skirt. Just follow the same process that you did for the front and just repeat and follow those lines at the back of the skirt. Just do the exact same thing that you did. Follow the lines from the front and do the same thing for the back of the skirt and you'll be good. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.